guys, it is Max Imagination here. Now before we start with this video, I just quickly wanted to announce thank you so much for the support. Thanks for 1,000 subscribers. I finally reached it. It has taken me a long way and finally I am here now with 1,000 subs. So today in this video, we'll be watching some marbles rolling down my homemade cardboard marble track. And we'll be watching a marble competition. So let's get started.
Let's take a look at the racetrack. Heat 1. Meet the competitors. Ocean, Ivy, Rainbow, and Blue Leaf. As the racers are getting ready in the starting positions, pick your racer. The race will begin in 3, 2, 1. Let the marbles roll. Take a look at Blue Leaf as it cuts off Ocean in that starting track. And at the top, we've got Rainbow rolling down the bamboo forest and down into the golden swirler, and out it goes to the finish line. Wow, what a cheating Ivy as it cuts off Ocean. First place, Rainbow. Second place, Blue Leaf. Sweet. Third place, Ivy. Fourth place, Ocean. Results of Heat 1. Blue Leaf and Rainbow proceed to the semifinals. And for Heat 2, we got Lipsy, Oliva, Smokey, and Amber. Let's see how they go. Pick your racers. The race will begin in 3, 2, 1. Let them roll. Wow, look at Smokey as it beats Lipsy in that bottom track. And at the top track, we've got Amber beating Oliva at a head-to-head race. Going into the vortexes. And take a look at Amber. What a finish. And as the others trail along, let's check that replay. Amber first place, second place Oliva, third place is Smoking, fourth place is Lipsy. And the results for that Heat 2 is Oliva and Amber proceed to the semifinals. For the semifinals, we have Blue Leaf, Rainbow, Oliva, and Amber. Pick your marble. 3, 2, 1. Let them roll. Amber and Oliva on the bottom track are battling head-to-head to see who will make their place. And above, we have Blue Leaf and Rainbow battling for their place. Going through the jungle, bambooing down through the vortexes. First place, Amber. Second place, Oliva. Third place, Rainbow. And fourth place, Blue Leaf. Too bad, Blue Leaf. We'll try next time in the next tournament. And our finalists are Rainbow, Oliva, and Amber. Pick your marble. And the racers are getting ready in their starting positions, ready to take off anytime. 3, 2, 1. Let them roll. Amber seems to be getting a first header right out in front of Rainbow, but things will change. Wow, take a look at Oliva as it overtakes those two marbles and heads straight down through the vortex. Check that replay. First place Oliva, second place Amber, and third place Rainbow. Congratulations to the winner, Oliva. Second place is Amber, and third place is Rainbow.
Alright guys, that is about it for this video of demonstrating you my cardboard marble track and showing you a mini kind of marble championship. And if you enjoyed it, be sure to hit this video a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next week. Peace! Tsunami of